Hey guys, I'm showing you this flush mount light fixture. So this comes with the 2 bulb setting with the E26 one that you can put in, and this is the flush mount, goes on the wall or the roof, and this comes with you can see like the nice packing for this protection of this have the glass side and the metal top, which I will show you. So this one you can see the nice protective covering. And see, this is all the metal, the wires and the stand. This thing is connected with the wires of existing roof. And there are 2 bulbs that you can put whatever the bulb you want, and this is the glass side, and it's all metal. So it's a very solid build that I can feel it here, and it's a little heavy. So with the roof, this thing will goes and these wires will fix in there with a neutral wire, and then it's like the best installation and the best quality thing. Again, you can feel this is the accessory kit that comes with all the nut bolts and the caps. So this is it looks like on the side while fixing and putting it on the roof. So it's very nice and classic look to it, and it's pretty much very much useful and handy. So hope you like it, and this look good in your house with your roof intact.